How you doing? I am Alan and Alan-Unleashed, and I'm here with another review for you. This is a wireless mouse I bought off Amazon, and it doesn't have any batteries. Well, it does. It has the built-in battery actually. What you get here is a mouse and a charging cable. So you just charge the mouse up. Is what you do. I got a lot of these charging cables, so I'm not going to use that one. I'm going to put this back in the box. Yeah. We got maybe my glasses on here. Oh, can't see that little bitty thing. We got here wireless, off, and Bluetooth. And there's also a dongle right here too. I'm not using it because I'm using the Bluetooth dongle I have on my computer already. So I don't need to use that. I'm going to keep that in case I go somewhere and help somebody with their computer. I can take this mouse with me, hook that up in their computer, and then work from there. Don't have to worry about wires, you know. I hate wires. I like wireless stuff. And let me turn this on here. Okay, it's on. And it's flashing. I got my computer off. When it's flashing like that, it's trying to connect. And what you do when you want to connect to Bluetooth, you hold this little clear button right here. Well, it's lighted button. You hold that down until it starts flashing, and then it'll start pairing. Well, it's going to start searching the pair. Is what it's going to do. Let me let my computer start up here. I had on hibernate. And it's quiet. Just you don't hear no clicking. You don't hear hear the wheel there. When you turn it, it's hard to hear. It's that quiet. I had to cut the mouse off and put it back on again. It changes color too, is what it does. Different colors. LED. It has 7 to 15 days battery life once you charge it. It takes 2 hours to charge it. And what I'm going to do now, I'm going to use it on my tablet. I got this keyboard here for my tablet. And what I'm going to do, go to settings. This is a Apple tablet here. Then I go to Bluetooth. And what I do here, let me show you here. Go to the bottom here. I'm going to press this top button here to start flashing. Okay, you see it right here. It says 3.0 mouse and a 5.2 mouse. Here's a 5.2 mouse. I'm going to pair it. And I don't know if you can see that cursor. right here. That's the cursor, that black dot, that gray dot there. That's the cursor there. See, the mouse is working. So let me go on home screen here. Click on my camera. See that? It opens right up. And same thing with my phone. Go to settings, go to Bluetooth. I got a lot of Bluetooth stuff on here. Okay, and then I'm gonna press this button here again, this top button here. Let me back this camera up here. I'm gonna hold this down. And it shows right here, 5.2 mouse. I'll click on that. Pair it. I don't have an Android device to show you. Okay, close that. Now I'm gonna use this mouse here. Make sure it's paired, connected. Yeah, it's connected. See, I used that wheel and it went to search. I'm clicking on the keypad there. Can't see the cursor on my phone though. Gotta open the browser up. For some reason on the phone it's not showing the cursor. This is an iPhone 7 Plus. Okay, it's not working too well on the phone. It does on the tablet and the computer. And they said on Mac, I don't have a Mac here. Anyway, no cursor on the phone. That's a bummer. But I don't usually use my phone, you know, for that purpose. Only my tablet or my computer. Okay, now the first part of this video I made a while back, and I waited to test out this mouse fully before I put this video out. And this is the second part here, and it's an upgrade LED wireless mouse, slim silent mouse, 2.4 gigahertz portable mobile optical office mouse with USB and Type-C receiver, 3 adjustable PDI levels for notebook, PC, laptop, computer, MacBook. Rechargeable built-in battery. You can use the regular phone charger for it. Silent click, you can't even hardly hear it. It has the LED lights, and the LED lights will go off when they go to sleep. After for a while, it'll go to sleep on you. And you just tap a button and it wakes back up. Slim, lightweight. And let's see, it says here. I said the upgraded version mouse with the LED lights adds more fun to the boring office life. The bottom of the mouse has a switch you can switch freely. Low key or sparkle switch in 1 second, suitable for any occasion. Now the thing about that switch though, it is so recessed in there that it's really hard to really move back and forth. What I do, I just keep it on, just plug it in at night. Anyway, I ran this for like over a month without charging it, with the lights going, and there's no way you can turn the light off. And it lasted over a month, but I don't use it constantly all day. I use it maybe off and on about 8 hours a day. Never turn it off. It says here 2 hours charging. You can use it about 7 to 15 days. Standby time is very long. That's 7 to 15 days straight through, constantly working. But and I don't think you go wrong with this mouse. I'm really pleased with it myself. So if you like to get one, the description will be in my description box. The link will be in my description box. And until next time, thanks for watching.